Hello students, today we are going to study priming of a centrifugal pump. Now priming of a centrifugal pump is defined as the operation in which the suction pipe, casing of the pump and a portion of the delivery pipe up to the delivery wall is completely filled up from outside source with the liquid to be raised by the pump before starting the pump. It means that we have to fill the suction pipe, casing and some portion of delivery pipe completely with the water, and we have to remove the complete air from these portion. So we will write the definition here, that is priming of a centrifugal pump is defined as the operation in which suction pipe, casing of the pump and a portion of the delivery pipe up to the delivery valve is completely filled up from outside source with the liquid to be raised by the pump before starting the pump. Thus, the air from these parts of the pump is removed and these parts are filled with the liquid to be pumped. It means that the only purpose of doing the priming of a centrifugal pump is to remove the air from all the parts, that is from the suction pipe, from the casing, from the delivery pipe, and it will be completely filled by the liquid which is pumped by the centrifugal pump. The work done by the impeller per unit weight of a liquid per second is known as the head generated by the pump. So, head generated by the pump will be equals to 1 by G into VW2 into U2 meter. This equation is independent of the density of liquid. This means that when pump is running in air, the head generated is in terms of meter of air. If the pump is primed with water, the head generated is same meter of water. But as the density of air is very low, the generated head of air in terms of equivalent meter of water head is negligible, and hence the water may not be sucked from the pump. To avoid this difficulty, priming is necessary. That is all about the priming of a centrifugal pump. Thank you very much, students.